Hi, I'm Mike Miller from Miller Microscopes. Now in our 90th year in business, Miller has spanned across 4 generations as a family-run organization. For myself and my brother Scott, the 4th generation, Larry and Steve, the 3rd, their father Harvey, and the founder of the organization, Irv Miller, we would like to say thank you. Thank you to our loyal customers that have been with us across those 90 years, serving the industrial, educational, and clinical market. To those that we haven't worked with yet or we're starting to get to know, welcome. Welcome to working with Miller to help find the best microscope solution for your needs. Throughout this video series highlighting our 90 years in business, we're going to be showing different products, talking about different promotions, providing an overview of our demo room here and our new office in Willow Grove. We're excited to bring in new customers from far and wide. On behalf of all of the Millers, Miller organization, and our whole team, we would like to say thank you. Thank you for being there, and thank you for continuing to work with us in the future.